And as we continue to move forward, the last three steps, which we're not going to discuss explicitly here, we'll just kind of cover as an overview, and then you'll see them unfold as we look at the features of Access. The validation and output, this is a time to now set up your data in tables inside of Access and start looking at validating your data, limiting the values that can go into a specific field if necessary, and output, meaning you're going to be designing some of your reports, looking at how people enter data. And then you're going to go into building views. Building views, again, deals with your reports, looking at the screens, how people are able to access the information inside of your tables. And last but not least, very, very important step, testing and review. At the end of this whole process, after you've gone through all other steps and you've built your database, now it's time to take that database and work with it in a controlled environment that is as close to real as possible. You might get a couple of test users to work and start using your database, get some feedback from those people that you interviewed with in the first place. This can also be done at the halfway point. Before you move into step 5, the validation and output, you can build a working model of your database, quickly design a few forms that people are going to use to enter data, quickly design a couple of reports, and show the product to the people that you interviewed in the first place, and that will give you a great way for them to look at it and say, oh, but where do I enter this piece of information? Or where can I pull up this data on this report? That'll give you a chance to rework your design a little bit before you commit to actually programming it inside of Access. And once you're done, at the end, your testing and review stage is a chance for you to go back and clean it up again and make any adjustments and additions that are necessary before it starts becoming populated with data. Once your database goes live and it starts accepting lots of new data, it's really, really tough to make those changes. So the last stage is also very important.